We're on your hoverboards doing train transports. Let's do this. We're doing some train transports on our hoverboards. Yeah, buddy. We don't know why we're doing this, guys, but it's going to be dope. Say hi on YouTube. He's just playing with the stick. Don't mind him. Say hi to YouTube. Piper, say hi to YouTube. Say hi. No, don't follow her musically. Don't follow her musically. Follow mine. Follow my musically. Zach, alright, guys, they're going too fast. They're going to crash. Okay. Alright, I need to back them up. Back up. No, you have to back up fully. Alright, guys, I have to lead them over. I know, I have to lead you guys. Alright, guys, let's do this. Don't follow her musically! Piper, don't! No! Here, hold on, guys, I need a pop. Alright, guys, let's do this. Guys, let's make them go faster! Okay, I'm the one that makes oh, dang! Dude, I'm just backing up slowly. Alright guys, look at this! Woo! By the time you guys get this YouTube video, I'm going to be uploading another one here tomorrow. It's going to take all night to edit. What? Who said my name? Who said my name? Who said my name, guys? Hey, whoa! Move your body! Alright guys, we need to catch up to the train! I'm on my hoverboard. He's doing train transports. Alright Jake, take over my phone, let me do this one. No, don't take it. Here, I want to hold it.
Here, somebody else holds it. No, Piper, just do it. Stop the kid.
Guys, oh gosh! Move! Never mind.
The train has to be
They have left the station. They have left the train station.